Hi everyone, it's Leah from West Central Equipment John Deere. Today I'm excited to present a new maintenance video series we're doing to help you save money and time by caring for your equipment over time instead of letting small maintenance problems build into big ones. For today's episode, we're going to show you how to clean your radiator screen or filter. To do this, you can use items you most likely already have at home: a lightly bristled brush, a hose, leaf blower, or you can even use your hands if there's minor buildup. So, on most newer compact tractors, you're going to start by making sure your tractor is off. Take the key and use it to pop your hood by using the designated spot on the side. Once the hood is popped, located in the front of the fan and behind the oil cooler, pull the filter out of the slot. As you can see, this one doesn't have too much buildup, but it still needs to be cleaned. Take your brush or tool and gently wipe off the screen. Careful you aren't pushing hard to break or damage the filter. Once the filter is cleaned, you can put it right back into the slot. It's that easy. Not cleaning the screen can cause the engine to overheat and can end up creating serious damage. It's always easier to take a few minutes to clean it off. Especially if you're using your tractor frequently, you'll want to stay up to date on cleaning this. After all, you don't want yours to end up like this one. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next episode. If you have suggestions or maintenance tips you want to see, please comment below. We'd love to hear what you need help with.